oil change, make sure to remove the cap first before you're going to drain the oil.
Use Kestrel edge in your Ford edge. Don't know if that's right or not, but it was edge. It made sense to me.
It's going to be hard to remove. All right. Guess I'm going to try to come down with you. So we're struggling to find the exact size of this because this is still Freedom units. And we have to go in blind. So
We did it.
Yeah. We were probably a little bit low on oil.
In our next video, we will be showing how to change your blinker fluid. It currently has about 10.5 quarts.
So we might have a little bit of an overflow.
Back overflow. Punch.
Do at the very bottom so that it
drains out. So that way when we
drains
pull
the
this
most out of it, you
Yes.
do it at the lowest point.
Yeah, so that when we pull this sucker out, it's not gonna cause some issues. It's all right. I lost my eye in '83.
I probably dropped it in here then.
Yeah, it probably dropped in there.
You guys fish around inside there. Just like run that around inside the thing.
So if you end up dropping the oil thing, oil lock nut in there, you gotta just use this. And lo and behold, we did drop it in there.
Like 99% of all oil changes ever done.
All right, we got the ratchet. All we were missing is clank. Shout out to those who've had the PS2 game.
You need 30,000 pounds of torque on an oil nut, just so you know.
It's gonna
Come out of there.
It's gonna squirt too.
It's gonna squirt like crazy. Well, it's turning.
Like that.
Oh, it is turning.
That's haven't been filling it up above. Well, actually, if you had the plug in, so I started filling it.
Ooh.
That almost made a gigantic splash.
I rolled really high on that one.
So you gotta do the oil thing. Take some oil and you put it around that right there. It has to be hand tight.
Yeah, just
Gotta fill up the oil now. Ever curious what to do with the oil? Just pour this puppy in there.
and you save it for a party.
And save it for a party.
When you have a trash can party, pour this in there. It's all good.
Back on there. Just to be safe, okay? There we go.